Winter sowing is a process that you can start about 3 to 4 months before the last frost, and what you do is sow your seeds outside in potting soil, and you want to use plastic see-through bottles and containers such as these. Today I am using milk container, a lemonade container, and then a Bloody Mary plastic bottle. These are all plastic. You can also use the plastic fruit boxes, like your blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries come in. Just clean those out, and they already have a nice little lid for you to close in on the soil and on the seeds. So the herbs that do the best in winter sowing are dill, cilantro, thyme, oregano, rosemary, chives. So you can winter sow all kinds of herbs and all kinds of vegetables. One of the vegetables I know that you can winter sow is eggplant. So these see-through jugs act as a little greenhouse for the seeds, and the seeds learn how to thrive in the cold environment. You can even do this with snow on the ground and just leave them outside in the snow, and any precipitation that comes in, either snow or rain, will water your seeds, and they will learn how to thrive in all environments, both cold and warm, when the weather turns in the spring. If you do not get much precipitation, you can use a spray bottle to just spray inside of the jugs. So let me show you the process. So the first thing that you're going to do is cut your jug right beneath the handle. You're just going to cut all around it and make it kind of a flip top. All right, so here we go. Also, you need to make incisions on the bottom of the jug. I forgot about that, so that you have drainage holes. So you just make your little drainage holes on the bottom, and I like to cut them a little wide so that the water can escape. Okay, now that we have our holes, we can cut around the jug. Alright, now you have a nice little greenhouse, and you're going to use potting soil for seeds to just fill the bottom. Okay, so now we're just going to drop seeds, and we're planting sage. So we're just going to drop the seeds into each one of the holes. Cover them up. And water them. Very fast absorbing. And now we just put the bottle back together and tape it up to make it nice and whole. So I'm just going to duct tape this ball. Okay, I'm using plain old duct tape and just duct taping it shut. I am in the 6th gardening zone, so we're doing sage and we're doing dill this year. This is my first time doing winter sowing, so hopefully it works. I've read up on it. I've had some friends who have done it in the past and they've been pretty successful with it, so I thought I'd give it a try. Okay, so I'm just running my tape along the seam and bringing the bottle to be together, taping it together. So the last thing that we're going to do is put the name tag on our little greenhouse, and then we're going to tuck it safely against the house so it doesn't get blown away. You can also use a tub or boxes to store your greenhouses. This will also be in written form as a blog on the herbalmedium.blogspot.com, so I hope you guys check it out. Okay, the dill, thyme, sage, and parsley are safely tucked and ready to grow.